Welcome to the official guide for setting up and operating the A-120 benchtop pH meter from Galaxy Instruments. The A-120 pH meter package includes the main unit, an electrode stands, a pH electrode, a temperature probe, a power adapter, standard pH buffer solutions, and a printer. Proceed to connect the power adapter, then connect the printer by attaching one end of the USB cable to the machine. Insert the temperature probe plug into the socket labeled degrees Celsius. Then attach the BNC connector to the socket labeled pH/ISE and rotate it clockwise until it locks securely in place, and the other end to the printer. To turn on the meter, press and hold the power key. The display will show the current pH reading along with temperature. Use the mode option to switch between pH and ORP. If the temperature probe is not detected, the meter switches to manual mode. Press and hold the mode key, adjust the temperature with the up and down keys, and press enter to save. The A-120 benchtop pH meter has an integrated setup menu. To access the setup menu, press and hold the Cal key. In the setup menu, there are different options available. Sample ID. You can give the ID to your particular sample. pH buffer. Select different buffer. Calibration point. Set the number of calibration points. Resolution. Can set the resolution of the pH measurement. STC. 6x alarm limits. Set the high and low limit values to activate alarm. Calibration due. Set the calibration interval to activate alarm, 1 to 31 days. Temperature unit. Stability criteria. Auto. Red for automatic endpoint locking. Auto power. Off. When the option is enabled, the meter will automatically switch off if no key is pressed within 3 hours. Date and time. Interval reading. Password. Set the password protection for calibration and settings. Brightness. Clear store data. Factory reset. You can select your preferred pH buffer group, USA, NIS, DN, or custom values, and set the number of calibration points from 1 to 5 depending on your requirements. Press the Cal key to start calibration with 3 standard buffer solutions. Rinse the electrode, immerse it in the first buffer, and press enter. When Cal 2 display, rinse the electrode, immerse it in the second buffer, pH 4.01, and press enter. For Cal 3, rinse the electrode, immerse the electrode in the third buffer, pH 10.01, and press enter again. The display will confirm calibration complete. You can print the calibration report, press the MR key, and go to the calibration report, press enter, then click print option. It will print your data like this. With the calibration complete, you are now ready to measure your sample. Rinse the electrode again. Place it into your solution and gently stir for an accurate reading. Wait for the stable icon to appear on the screen, which ensures the reading is precise. The A-120 meter can store up to 1,000 data sets. To store a measurement, press the MI button during the process. You can recall pressing the MR button. store data anytime. Get accurate pH and ORP readings with the A-120 benchtop pH meter. Thanks for watching. Visit our YouTube channel for more information and products.